Good morning everyone. We are going to present our project proposal which is entitled Basura Mo I-Manage Mo. Project proposal sa banalizasyon ng Cemento Jamaica, Payusan Anali, Pantayan Jandel, and Tilapia Jerami John. In project durations, we have schedule when to start and when to end our project. Project objectives. The Basura Mo I-Manage Mo in line with the mission vision of our group. This project will help promote cleanliness, to educate and give more knowledge on waste segregation, to identify any potential environmental impacts, to help in minimizing the extraction of resources, to prevent disaster like floods and disease. So our project description is to clean each of our barangay to manage cleanliness. The goal of this initiative is to encourage cleanliness in section of our neighborhood due to garbage cloud drainage system. We will able to become role models for our fellow youngsters in becoming ecologically conscious of our position. So our mission is to reduce the flood consequences as much as possible. So our justification of the project is to meet our barangay authorities in each of our community to discuss the community situation. We conducted an urgent study into the matter and eventually devised a plan to mitigate the consequences of floods by cleaning in each of our community. Furthermore, as we approach in the months when rainfall is most expected, it should be a top priority to clean up our sidewalks to prevent our garbage to fall in our waterways. Solving this problem continues to have a cascading effect on the lives of those who reside in the neighborhood.
Benefits derived from the project. So the benefits derived from the project is it will provide the target audience with a comprehensive understanding of proper waste or terrible classification and disposal. Also, on how to restore their drainage to normal to keep the place clean. Methodology. Methodology will teach us how to manage and segregate the trash. In seminar, we will educate the people and advocate and give awareness in our chosen barangay. Project implementation, evidences, and documentation. So in the first week, we did the seminar. Second week is the implementation of the project, and the third week is the monitoring. So as we can see here, Mr. Sabinal's first week's description about the seminar is discussing the matter with our project implementation. The second week is the start of the cleanup program with my participants. And in the third week is the monitoring the provided trash sack and maintaining the place trash free. So next is from Miss Pilapil. So her first week's description is seminar with my participants to discuss some matters connected with the project implementation. The second week's description is it's time to clean together with my participants. And the third week's description is third week monitoring and I provided sacks to prevent dirtiness and community. So next is from Miss Payusan. Her first week's description is talk about how we are going to do our upcoming cleanup drive. The second week's description is during our implementation cleanup drive with my participants. The third week's description is this is our third week monitoring which we observe the place where we implement our cleanup drive. So next is from Miss Jemica and her first description is first day of implementation having a seminar about our project, the cleanup drive. And the second week's description is the second of our implement is we start do the cleanup drive. And the third week's description is the third is we monitor and provided socks and the place we clean up drive if they will be maintaining the cleanliness. And last is mine, Jandil Pantaleon. And my first description is giving seminar to my participants about waste management. And the second week's description is the beginning of implementing the project. And the third week's description is monitor to know if the project that we implement is successful. So the overall learning of the implementers. So what we learn here is the importance of teamwork If we want to have a clean place, or if we want to maintain the cleanliness of our place, all we have to do is help each other, and we need to work as one. And that's all, and thank you.